The Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is an impressive addition to the burgeoning e-bike market, especially for those who appreciate the thrill of mountain biking combined with the convenience of electric assistance. With its robust design, advanced features, and a focus on performance, the Qlife Racer seeks to deliver a high-quality riding experience for both seasoned cyclists and casual riders alike. Here's a closer look at what this electric bike has to offer. Design and build quality. At first glance, the Qlife Racer showcases a sleek and modern design that is both aesthetic and functional. The frame is constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum, providing the right balance of strength and portability. Weighing in at around 55 pounds, it's relatively easy to maneuver despite its sturdy construction. The bike features a sporty geometry aimed at enhancing the rider's performance while also ensuring comfort during longer rides. The Qlife Racer comes in an attractive color palette that appeals to a wide range of tastes. The matte finish adds a touch of sophistication, while the overall look is undeniably sporty. Additionally, the bike's integrated battery and wiring mean that there are no unsightly cables or bulky attachments, giving the bike a clean and streamlined appearance. Motor and battery performance. One of the standout features of the Qlife Racer is its powerful 750W motor, which propels the bike with ease across various terrains. Whether you're tackling steep inclines or cruising on flat trails, the motor provides ample power and torque, making it a reliable companion for mountain biking adventures. The bike supports speeds up to 28 miles per hour, allowing riders to reach their destination swiftly, whether it's a weekend trail or a daily commute. The bike is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on factors like terrain and riding style. This means you can confidently venture out for a day of exploration without constantly worrying about recharging. The battery is also removable, allowing for convenient charging at home or work. User experience and comfort. The Qlife Racer features a 21-speed gear system, providing versatility that enhances the riding experience. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising through flat regions, the gear shifts are smooth and responsive, making it easy to adapt to changing terrains. The presence of Shimano components ensures reliability and performance that many riders appreciate. Comfort is another key aspect of the Qlife Racer. The bike is equipped with a front suspension fork that effectively absorbs shocks from bumps and uneven surfaces. This feature significantly enhances the overall riding experience, especially on rugged mountain trails. Additionally, the adjustable seat allows riders to find their ideal riding position, reducing fatigue during long rides. Braking and safety. Safety is paramount when it comes to biking, and the Qlife Racer doesn't disappoint. The bike is equipped with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes that offer superior stopping power in various weather conditions. This feature is especially critical for mountain biking, where quick reactions are often necessary to navigate tricky descents and sharp turns. The bike also features reflective elements and integrated LED lights, enhancing visibility during night rides. Technology and features. In terms of technology, the Qlife Racer includes an LCD display that offers essential information such as speed, battery life, distance traveled, and assist levels. This intuitive interface allows riders to monitor their performance and make informed decisions while riding. The bike also includes several pedal assist modes, enabling riders to customize their experience according to their fitness level and terrain. Conclusion. Overall, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults stands out as an exceptional choice for those looking to combine the thrill of mountain biking with the convenience of electric assistance. Its sturdy build, powerful motor, and impressive range make it suitable for both casual riders and enthusiasts alike. While the bike's weight may be a consideration for some, its features, comfort, and performance greatly outweigh this minor drawback. With its thoughtful design, advanced technology, and focus on rider experience, the Qlife Racer is poised to become a favorite in the electric bike community.